In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use customer accounts in Shopify, a new feature that's set to revolutionize how you interact with your customers. If you're managing a Shopify store, enhancing the way customers interact with your site can make a significant difference in both sales and customer loyalty. Today, we'll break down the steps to get you started with customer accounts quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify store's admin panel. Open your preferred web browser and log into Shopify. Once you're logged in, you will land on the Home dashboard. This is the central hub for all your store management activities, where you can access various settings and reports for your store. From the Home dashboard, move your cursor to the Settings section located typically on the lower left side of your screen. Click on it, and a menu will expand. Look for an option labeled Customer Accounts. This setting holds the key to enabling your customers to have their own accounts on your online store. Click on Customer Accounts to open up more options. Once you're in the customer account settings, the next step is to set up sign-in links. In this context, providing sign-in links means allowing your customers to easily log into their accounts on your Shopify store. Under the customer account settings, you will see an option for sign-in links. Click on this option to take charge of how and where these links will appear for your customers. It's crucial because it defines the access points for your customers to their accounts and helps in giving them a personalized shopping experience. Finally, once you have configured the sign-in links according to your preference, make sure to head back to the Customer Account section to double-check your settings. Review all the options and settings you've selected to ensure everything aligns perfectly with how you want your customers to interact with your store. This final review is essential to avoid any potential hiccups or confusion for your customers when they use the feature. Confirm that everything is saved correctly before exiting the settings. That's it! You're now ready to let your customers enjoy the seamless experience of having their own accounts while shopping on your store. With these steps, managing customer accounts in Shopify becomes a breeze, allowing you to offer a more personalized shopping journey that can enhance customer satisfaction and potentially boost your sales. Don't forget to monitor this feature's performance and gather customer feedback to continuously improve their experience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.